Alright, July 23rd, 2024, CN Hayes here. 21's coming to you from Ladysmith again with another video lined up. Another northbound on the way, following behind the 197. New C6M rebuild, 3368! And the return, number 3290! Why not? This is the northbound Woodtick. The new 3368 was previously built as a BNSF Dash 944CW. It was numbered the 4494 of the BNSF. It'll be sending out CN empties at Ladysmith Yard for 519 to handle. ETW Heritage 8952 and the BS44DC of the 2304 to do that. Brakes are applied. Goodness sakes, so, my friends, that was actually my first of 60 ex-BNSF C6M rebuilds for the CN now. As I said, the 3368 was previously BNSF 4494. And I have a feeling they're probably going to make the cut here. Up a little bit until they stop again. Conductor, get on the ground here so we can be set to stop this again. And can make the cut. Providence and Worcester boxcar, now under the reporting marker of MDW in the consist. I didn't expect that. Brakes reapplied again. And there is the last of the northbound Woodtick that just cleared the back end of Corbett and Fritz Avenue West. And it's a center beam as the last one. So close. I have to admit though, not bad at all really. Holy cow. So I really did not anticipate to see me my first of 60 of the C6M rebuilds that were previously built as BNSF Dash 944CWs. But I guess that really takes the cake. So that's going to do it for tonight's L563 81 of the 23rd. And we'll do it for the new C6M rebuild of the 3368 and the sixth of 10 Tier 4 builds that was built in January last year of the 3290 that was running second with. So that's going to do it for this video here at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.